Dear students, today I am going to speak on parental care in amphibia. Now, what is this parental care? It is defined as care afforded by the parents to an individual born or to be born right from egg laying to hatching to incubation of young one until they become self-reliant. And first of all, we'll take up a selection of suitable sites, defending eggs and nest building. In selection of suitable sites, eggs laid on leaves overhanging the water so that the new ones born which hatch out of the eggs, they directly fall into the water body, because since they are adapted to breathe in water bodies. Examples are Rhecophorus, Hylodes, Philomedusa. Defending eggs, Rana climitans attacks the intruders who try to go near the eggs. Mentophrine robusta sits, and if removed from the eggs they get desiccated. Building nests. Mud nests are built by Hyla Faber. Builds crater-like nest in shallow water. Foam nest built by Japanese Rhecophorus and American tree frog Leptodactylus mystacinus. They create frothy mass to avoid the desiccation of the eggs. Leaf nests are also created on trees. The folded leaves, they are glued together by cloacal secretions. This is done by South American tree frog Philomedusa and Hyla swinfrictrix. Then we have the leaf nests are also built by Hylodes. The nests which are built by hylodes, they are built away from the water bodies, because the young one could perform pulmonary respiration. The frogs, the amphibians, they also create gelatinous bags like Salamanderella, Caesalingii and Phrymixalus. They create gelatinous bags around the eggs. Now come to direct caring by the parents. Coiling around eggs is done by Ichthyophis, Hyogeophis, Amphiuma, which is also called as Congo eel, the salamander, Plethodon, Megalobatrachus maximus. They coil around their egg and protects them. Tadpoles are also transported to water. This is done by Dendrobatus, Philobatus and Pelobatus. The eggs, they remain glued to the body in case Desmognathus, around neck, Rhecophorus reticulatus, belly, Alitus obstetricans, hind legs. Then we have eggs in back pouches. Such frogs are called as marsupial frogs, exemplified by Brazilian tree toad, Hyla goeldi. Eggs covered by skin, opens near cloaca. Suriname toad pipa, male possesses fertilized egg on male presses fertilized eggs on female's back, and this pressure sinks the egg into their skin. Pits are created. Thereafter they get enclosed and metamorphosis happens inside them. Then there are a number of organs which serves as brood pouches in Rhinoderma. Vocal sac serves as brood pouches. African Hylambetus braviceps, the buccal cavity serves as brood pouch, whereas in Australian Rheobatrachus silus, egg in stomach. tadpole, they hatch out in stomach and they come out through mouth. This is very unique phenomena. Then we also observe viviparity in Salamandra, Typhlonectus, etc. Then parental care in fishes. Fishes, they also show some kind of parental cares. They build nests which may be circular, as in case of male bowfin fish, pear-shaped, 15-spined stickleback fish, and burrows are created by Protopterus lepidosteus. Barrel-shaped burrow is created by Gastrosteus, foamy nest by Betta, and basin type of nest by Darter, and floating nest by Mormyrids. The fish, they also tend to coil around eggs, as in case of Felis. Eggs, they do remain to the body also, as in case of Curtus, on head at hook-like process of dorsal spine. Examples: Asprado and Platystachys. They have integrated cups. The young ones are also sheltered in mouth during the danger, as in case of Tilapia mozambica. Young ones take their refuge in female's buccal cavity whenever danger arrives to them. Males, they have brood pouches in case of Hippocampus and Syngnathus, and mermaid purse for eggs. Examples are sharks, skates, and chimera. So students, thank you so much. We have studied today parental care in fishes and parental care in amphibians.